Hi, and today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to alternate the row colors on the Excel application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the Excel application if you already have it downloaded into your PC. Of course, if you have it, this will be great, but if you don't, you'll have to go and download the Office pack on the Microsoft Store or even any browser you're using. Of course, the Office pack includes like Excel, because you cannot download Excel alone. It will download with it a lot of applications. Then you can once it downloaded, you can delete or even keep those applications. Of course, they are useful for something, so I suggest you to keep it. And once you have it downloaded already, or you just have it, just go and open it up. And of course, once you're here, that will normally be your home screen, your main screen. Here you can actually log in into your account or create your account if you don't have it, and make sure to have an activated account, because those Office apps are paid, including Excel. And once you are here, you can go to new to create a new blank workbook, or just choose some of their templates to start with, or you can just go and open something if you have it saved on your PC, Sheets or Excel doc or whatever. For me, I'm just going to open a new blank workbook, and as you said, we would like to alternate row colors. So to apply colors to alternate row and the format value where the formula is true, box type, the formula it's gonna be like, the formula is gonna be mode, sorry, everything should be in caps, mode, this row, and do this and this to equal 0. Make sure to type this formula, and to apply color to alternative columns, of course, you can type the formula, this formula, the same, and you would like just to change this mode row into mode column. And of course, this formula is determine, sorry, whether a row or column is even or odd numbered, and then applies the color accordingly. So of course you can do it on a manual way if you want. So let's just delete all of those. Let's just click at Ctrl Z to go to the beginning, and you can just go and click at this to select the whole row. And of course you can then select whatever you want, like normal, bad, good, natural, calculations, check cells, or you can even do this by this colors here, or even more colors if you want, and you'll be actually good to go. So this is actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.